Hello guys, welcome to Coders Coding. In this video, we will unlock the secret of string operations. Do you know strings are everywhere? Names, messages, and code. Before going to the video, please like this video. Now we will see the practical.
Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you how to concatenate two strings. So take the two variables. First I have to take a string 1 and give the value as a hello or else and as your wish. Then here I have to take a Python. These two are the values. Then I have take the concatenate means it will be concatenate means to combined, right? So string 1 plus string 2 equal to some variable you have to store. So suppose a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, then we know very fundamental, right? C is equal to a plus b. How we do here? The same thing apply here. Then the variable name is your option. Then I have but which is related to the program. Now here concatenation string equal to string 1 plus string 2. So if you want to space, then you have to give double quotation in between the mention the space, then string 2, then print the then string 1 string 2 stored in the concatenation string, right? That variable you have to give within the parenthesis. Now so once you have to specify like this and then run the program, definitely you will get the output. Now anyhow we will run this program. So python demo.py, see it will coming, but here is combined, right? I need to space. When I give specified space there and run the program, then you can see here there is a space is there. So that is up to you. As a programmer you can think with it differently, then you can experiment with yourself, right? Now we will see the another program, so which is a very easy program only. So all these are very fundamental. Now I can see the repeating a string. So repeating in the sense that the name itself say that if I take if I give a name Rama, then I ask the students to pronunciate it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Then what you do, the students can, when I give the instruction, they have to say Rama, 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 Rama. So how many times you have to specify? That many times they have to uh, chant like this. Like this, that repeating means repeat the value. So my string I have to take the same hello, then I have to take a variable for resultant purpose and my string start 3. Then that repeating string will be pass the parenthesis, print the value and clear the screen and run the code. You will get the output. Yes, you will get it, right? So but here that previous output only I got it, but I want to, now you can see you will get it, right? So this is the program, very simple program, right? So you have to focus on the fundamentals, and then once you gain the knowledge, once the you have to thorough with the fundamentals, you can make it miracles, right? Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create the string in Python. It's very simple and very fundamental. Now I have to take a variable my string and then assign the string value hello Python. I have to take it as a string, then print the string. So before that you have to save the program like a demo.py. I am using the Visual Studio. So then run the program in the terminal python demo.py. Now you can see hello Python displayed here. That means you can successfully created the string in Python. So it's a very simple only. Now we will see another how we can access the character in the string, right? So I have to take a variable name my string and assign the string value. I have to take hello Python, right? Then the next what I have to do, I have to print. Am I right? Yes, it's very simple. For the printing purpose, I have to use print only. So print, and in the parenthesis, I have to pass my string. Once you pass, then if you save your program, check. Otherwise, you have to save your program, then run the program Python program name .py. So when you have to specify like this, you will get it. So here I have to access through index only. If any character I have to access through index only. Here I have to specify my string index of 0, that means h will display, right? So this is the way we can access. You have to change the, you have to copy this one just and paste it how many times you want, that many times you have to paste it and just change the index value, then you calculate 0 1 2 3 4. So it's obviously display O, right? So this is the way we can access a value in the given string. Now we will move on to the next question. It's a slicing. How we will be slice? Let's see. The same way I have to take my string. I don't want to change the variable name, so that is optional. You have to give x, y, z, that is up to you. But I have to take it here as a my string, same text only. I have to take hello Python, and what I have to do here, slice. The slicing is nothing but when you have to slice the value starting and before ending. Okay, I have to here, so slicing, so slice string equal to my string, right? 0 colon 5, that means it will take 0, then 5 before values it will take. You just copy and run the program the same way Python demo. Hello friends, in this video we will find the length of the string. Now we will see how it will works. I have to take a my string as a variable and assign the value. That's up to you. You have to give any string value. I have to take here, for the students confusion purpose, I have to mention the variable names as well as the data is the same data only. Hello Python. Okay, now what I do here, I have to find the string length, right? So that's why I have to take a string length as a variable, and we have a function in the Python length. So length was shortened, they have written len and paste the my string as a variable which holds the string hello Python, right? So this is the, this one, when you have to use this len and my string, which will find the length of the string and store in the string length, right? This string length I have to pass in the print parenthesis, then we can run the program, we will get the output. Now Python demo.py, now you can see the length of the string is 13, that is hello Python. Am I right? This is the way we can find the length of the string. Now let's move into the another program, then you get clarity. So here I have to convert the lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. So for that one I have to take a small variable name as a my string, then give the string value, that is I have to take for the hello Python. Why I have to consistently not change the variable names and the string values? Because of students get confused, right? For that I have to take this one. So my string dot uppercase is there. This is the method which will converting to the our the specified text into uppercase. Okay, now try to run this one. Print just my string I have to specify, then run the code cls and python demo.py. Now you can see which is not reflecting. Why? Somewhere I did mistake, that's why. So I have to here come here, uh, in this video we will see how is upper will work. Is upper is a method which will checks my string whether the uppercase is consisting or not. If it is not, then if it is not, so I get false. So you will go to home and check, just put is lower, then you can get the respected results. So you got it right. Later on we will see. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. My string, I have take the string value as a hello Python, then on this my string dot upper is there. Is upper is different and upper is different. So when you can specify my string dot upper, it will be converted to the lowercase to uppercase. So you have to give equal to, take a variable and store the value in the name of upper. So now you can print this value. You will get this hello Python. We will make it as a caps, right? So this is the way we can convert. Now what I do now, I need to convert again this uppercase to lowercase. It's very simple, same thing only. Instead of upper method, we have to use lower method. So my string dot lower method, then it will be stored, converted and stored in the lower, right? That lower variable can print. Then you can observe here. First what happened, for this line it will convert the lowercase to uppercase. For this line the uppercase again converted to the lowercase. So this is the way we have to find the lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. Hello friends, in this video we are going to know about the how to use the join method. So if you have to use a join method, what happened, my list hello and comma Python word is there, right, with all specified in the double quotation. So but when I use the join method, which will be appears remove the double quotation and comma and display as a single line hello Python word like this. So for that I have to use like this, take the variable and store my list dot join. So before that, what you want to join, so double quotation dot join my list, then you can run this code, you will get it right, output hello Python world single line. Now we will see the next, how to access a character in a string. That means we can't access, we can count how many times the the character is repeated in the existing string. So I have to take a my string as a variable and take the text as you wish. I have to take a hello Python, and here I have to specify the count equal to, so my string dot count So count is the method which counts the uh, specified character in the double quotation. So now you can see print a count you have to specify, then this cell how many times repeated in your uh, existing string. Now it's a two times, right? See the two times it's a repeated. So as usual you can if you want more you can try. So you run this one and O is repeated in two times. If you get want to try one more, then you can specify P, which is repeated, which is in the existing one time only, right? See like this. So this is the way we can find the uh, character how many times repeated in our existing string. So see, if you have to specify other than the string, okay, then what happened? It will display 0. Hello friends. Hello friends. We will see in this small code how to find the index of the character. Just as usual, I have to take the my string as a hello Python, then index my string dot index of. I have to specify which one I need to, which character I need to find the index value. Suppose I have to specify h, which is starting of the string, right? You know very well about the what is the starting of the index, always 0, right? The same thing it will be displayed here. So now you can see the print index, then you will get it the index value of the h is a 0. Then you can change the, instead of h you can specify n or any character in the string, existing string. That's the same way, starting with specific substring. So it ends with, I have to take so my string as a hello Python and ends with in the sense of, so it's end of the Python which is existing or not. So my string dot, so here I have to give ends with is the method in Python. We are going to use this method to find whether the ending of the uh, ends with whatever you have to specify on the double quotation on it's existing or not. It's existing, it's true. If it's not existing, it will generate the false. Now if you have to give ends with hello, actually hello is in the starting of the index, but we have to specify the end of, we will check, we will get it so it's not in the ends with, right? So I think you will understand.